Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. We are today in Koblenz in Germany. Da? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and to hit the bell to support my channel. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, you can get it with an yeah, didn't say it. The river was
In Rheinland-Pfalz ist vom Ast,
Uh-huh.
Bremen, Hessen.
This is so cool, Meona. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Very cool. Seludi. Full of stones, this boat.
This is gold.
Gold?
Silber.
You think so?
If you want, we can drink aquafit here at the Rio.
Yeah, of course. It's a beautiful day anyways. It's not gonna rain. It's just a bit windy
No,
sometimes.
today is
No, better, no? Look how beautiful this bridge there. How long ago did we come here? 1 year ago, right? This was Koblenz. In old times.
Yeah, summer is more better, we can see.
With flowers, yeah. Center, no?
Yeah, we can go here.
All right.
Yeah, so we can go straight and go to the left.
You are my guidance here.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, okay.
We can go, of course, to the left. We can go also to the right. That's straight.
Well,
Because he keep go to the left and then I look.
it's changing
confusing.
routes.
7 minutes.
7 minutes to go?
I think he will just buy last time with cafe.
Yeah, I think.
And ice cream, and you say no, you don't want any ice cream, so we can skip it.
But today I ate a very big ice cream. Huh?
Mm.
It was 200 grams. Plus strawberries. But anyways, the taste was very intense.
Garden sense.
Molto gustoso. Leonardo, I think that's an Italian brand. Or no? I think so. 100 years.
Fuck was that? Why is the camera was getting on?
I don't know.
I don't push anything. I don't see anything. Clothes. One blanket. Let's go drive now.
One blanket.
But I was thinking, yeah, good. I was empty with the gas, but I think, there's no problem.
Uh-huh.
I can put gas also in Kaiserslautern because I must drive there anyway. That is it.
Da, ja. Das ist the Forum. Commercial Center.
Where they have dual here.
Okay. That's awesome.
Ah, the tables are in.
With the scooter, that's cute. Italian umbrellas. Wow. La nuova rustica. It's gigante, yeah. So that's the commercial center.
Yes, dual.
Due? Two commercial centers in one.
No, this is only one.
Only one. Okay, let's go then.